Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be episode 2 of the S14 build. Thanks everybody for watching the first episode and the FD paint. Over 600 likes on the S14, so that's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We're going to be pulling the motor when we left off in the first episode of this. So we're going to get that going. And got a lot of cool stuff going on. So thanks for watching again. Like and subscribe. Let's go. She is out.
Let's see what flight this thing has.
We'll see.
This shit probably got a hard body clutch.
That's some ghetto shit. What's her name? She's so hot. Angelina Jolie? No, not Angelina. Oh.
Get off there, nah.
Get off there.
How much for the long block?
$18.
Stock!
Stock?
Is fucked.
Damn.
Called it.
That sucks.
Can you show me the plug? That's pretty smart.
Huh?
You want to let it drain or you want to stuff a rag in?
So just kidding. Apparently it is a Nismo. Ooh.
Flip it.
Oh baby.
There it is.
Yes. And there's a lot of life left too.
Yeah, there is. Actually, fuck.
Yes. That's what I like to see, baby. What the?
Yeah, get
Oh,
a
damn.
different flywheel, but keep that. That's sick.
Oh dude, yeah, that is
Dude,
definitely
it's so
grooved.
tight. Fucking Nismo.
Yeah, I'll get a new flywheel. Hey, do you have a flywheel?
Maybe.
This is sick.
That's actually super tight. The Nismo logo's all reflected.
Right?
Shit's hard.
What's this? Oh, that one's pressure plate's good.
The pressure plate probably matches the clutch.
All right, my car is now atom powered. How many atom powers is that? Got this bitch out. You're getting old, man. The dad noises. Yeah, this is pretty crusty in here. So yeah. The fucking motor mount's in the way of this.
Take the motor mount out.
Oh, too easy for that. Thanks for the swole joint. Oh god.
Get it?
There you go.
Do you know how?
There we go. Is it good?
What do you mean?
Left or right?
Which bolt are you trying to get undone?
Are we getting the bottom one done or the top one?
The top one?
Top one?
Yeah.
Oh shit, is it good now?
No, turn it more.
What?
More. Okay.
Alright.
I think it's good.
By the way, if you work on cars and you don't have this, you are not a mechanic. Or Asian at that. Alright. Bolts are undone.
Did you get both of them?
Yep.
I still see two bolts still on.
Huh?
I still see bolts on.
The bottom ones are off.
No, there's 4 total.
Where the fuck are the other ones?
They're inside the cross member
Oh,
right
that's
here.
right, I forgot. Yeah.
Extension.
Actually, I actually need a light. Oh. Kidding. Got one. Fucking hole.
That's what she said.
I know. That's why she left me.
Oh.
Couldn't find it.
Okay, it's out.
Got it. What she said.
Oh.
It's all for the shit. If you're 30 and you still work on cars, you're an idiot.
Did she also say that?
She did say that too.
No.
We taking this off. Damn it, come on, Tyrod. There we go. Alright. I got the bottom two loose. What else do I gotta take off? So we got all that stuff out. Adam's working on the one line. And the rack's coming out. baby. Look at this winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yo, look at this rack. It's just disgusting. Where did that? Oh yeah, there it is. Look at this guy. Jesus, dude. This thing is. Oh, can we focus? Hello? That goes in there. This one. It's like a donut, just in case you blow your O-ring. That goes in there.
Can't get this thing to spin. Stop spinning.
Let's do this. Oh, dude, that was a lot. How am I gonna hold this? It's like this? Where are you going? Alright. Wait, am I pushing this or pulling this? I don't know. Oh! Oh, yeah, this definitely is gonna need a rebuild. Just because of that.
Well, I had no boots for
I
a
know.
longest time.
Dude, look at, oh my goodness! Look at that! Jeez, that is like a pile of gunk. Oh my, look at that, dude.
That's pretty rough.
That's from one of the, look, ugh. Are you sure? Hold on, I got an idea. I'm not, okay, I'm ready. Ah! Should we take this joint out too? I don't think the guy needs this. I'll take the joint out. Oh. Cool. Then, homie hit something here, or someone hit him. So we are gonna try to straighten that out. You just fucking go to town with a big ass mallet? Of the engine bay. Not so much to anymore. How is this supposed to be? Oh, that's supposed to be angle pin. So pull this back. This in. There you go. Dang. I kinda know what I'm doing. What else did we do? We took out the heater hoses, the air conditioning things, the wiring harness is over here. Straightened this out. Got all that out, the evap lines out. Got all that stuff out. Started sanding. So next Sunday I'm gonna be painting it. Adam's bleeding. Just kidding, it's power steering fluid. Other than that, I think it's good. Pop the motor. It's kind of dirty, but I'll show you later. Sometime next week. We're gonna send this out to get chromed. Ooh, maybe I can get this chrome too. Does this VCT cover come off? Dude, I'm gonna get that chrome too. Yeah, we're gonna chrome this bad boy. And unfortunately, we found out that I had studs, so I have to find bolts. I mean, I'm sorry, I have the bolts because I want to run the Toge Factory hardware, the gold ones. What else? These are gonna get powder coated. That's gonna get powder coated. I think. No, you know what? Should just paint them. I'm too lazy to get them powder coated. I'm just gonna paint them. The brackets. Yeah. Yeah, but it's money. It's a fabulous day in Colorado. Today we are sanding, cleaning. Let's get it started up in here. Fuse box kind of out, miscellaneous stuff out. Just gonna start sanding. I'm taking that off. Sanding, and I think probably gonna paint this thing next week. Literally every time that it's in my eye again! Stop it! It burns!
That's when you know it's good.
This thing is really dirty, by the way, everyone. It is disgusting. Boop, boop. It's the foamy kind. Only that good stuff. Thanks, AutoZone. Oh shit, I broke it. Fuck! Yes, we are using the whole can. Look at that. Just eating through. Oh, it already has a sandwich plate. That's cool. Yes. Let's go. Oh, sweet, we get the wheel wells and stuff too. Oh, man. Huh, surprisingly, it's pretty clean. Other than some surface rust and whatnot. I hope everybody liked today's episode. Yeah, it's getting there. I'm kind of excited, just waiting on parts and all that stuff too. Like and subscribe again. Thank you for the support, and let's get some Warzone in. Add me, putting the information up there. Thanks again.